Okay, so today's video is a little bit different, and this is Sunday morning, and when I got a call from the ICU, I woke up, and when the call was finished, I saw a comment on the channel, and I really felt touched, sort of emotional. So I just want to share with you all. This is something which I can't explain in words, and let me show you. Like this. Now you see that on our website, when you go to ESBICM website, what is there? We want to provide free bedside medical education, intensive care education to all healthcare professionals. So till now we are able to provide it free. Maybe in near future I'll have some classes, one-to-one, nominal chargeable classes to make this society sustainable. But as of now, we are providing free bedside intensive care education to all healthcare professionals in the care of critically ill patients. Now, when you go to the mission and vision statement of this, you see what is the mission. The mission is to revolutionize the global delivery of intensive care by offering free bedside intensive care to every healthcare professional caring for critically ill patient. That's fine. But you see the vision. With what vision I started this ESBICM, or with what vision we founded? To strengthen the bedside intensive care even in the smallest and the most remote ICU of the world. But means we want to provide this bedside intensive care education so it reaches the most remote ICU, and even if it is big or small, it should reach there. It should help the healthcare professional. It should it should help the care of the patient which is there. Now let me show you the comment which I received. So this is Dr. Sain, and what he writes: thank you so much, sir. With your knowledge, I am treating a patient on mechanical ventilator support in China border now, and watching your videos. Means it is the last post of India. It is, you can see, it is very far. It is the very small place. I have done MD medicine, but your knowledge helps me a lot, and I can't refer any patient as I lack with the ACLS ambulance. I have watched your videos on ventilator and ABG, praying that my patient recovers. Now you see he is treating a patient in the last post of India, very small area with basic lack of basic facilities. Now this made me touched so much that what we are doing is helping out, is of some use. It is reaching the places which don't have an access to the bedside intensive care education, and it is accessible to all. So it felt me very touched. And Dr. Sain, we wish you that from all the ICU channel and the ESBICM family, may your patients get well, may you receive all the support there. And it's as a request to all the members of the channel. It's just now coming in my heart that you should all share this channel, share the ESBICM with every healthcare professional or nursing staff which you come across. Maybe they are related to intensive care or not, or emergency, but who knows, this is not, this may not be of help to them now, but maybe they choose their career, or maybe one day they require something and then they didn't find, and here it is available free of cost, so it may help them. So this was just a small thing which I felt this morning, and I felt like share with you with the ICU channel family. Thank you, and we'll see you with the next video. Thank you.